Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to remove WhatsApp channel update without uninstalling. So right now, as you can see, I have WhatsApp in front of me, so just open your WhatsApp, and now from the top you can see we have this option of updates. Head over to that, and in updates you can see we have few channels that we have joined, and now I want to remove its update. So let's just say I want to head over to this particular channel, and if you want to simply remove its updates, you can see we have this bell icon right in front of that particular name of channel, and you need to simply click on this and you will be eventually have updates muted or removed. So now if you remove any notification in your notification bar or something like that, eventually no more notifications will be displayed and you will have turned them off. Now there could be some other method as well, so make sure to just check out our future videos, and until that, thanks so much for watching, and if you like the video, make sure to share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.